Hello everyone, I am Rakibul Hassan Khan, Assistant Professor of Assam Downtown University. Today I am going to discuss about extended wear contact lenses. The definition is extended wear contact lenses are most typically contact lenses that can be worn continuously for up to 6 nights and 7 days. With the advent of silicon hydrogel contact lenses, which are better at letting oxygen through the lens to our eyes, there are now also continuous wear contact lenses that can be worn up to 30 days straight. Here, most of contact lenses are we cannot use for long hours, but nowadays it possible. Extended wear contact lenses are we can use for long time. Extended wear contact lenses are basically silicon hydrogel contact lenses, which are better provide oxygen through the contact lens to the eyes. Next, the main criterion for an extended wear contact lenses is oxygen permeability. So, what is oxygen permeability? It is a parameter of a contact lens that expresses the ability of the lens to let oxygen reach the eye by diffusion. In soft contact lenses, it is depend on the thickness of the contact lens and the material of the lens, especially concerning the water content. Next, while we sleep, the only way for our cornea to get the oxygen it needs to stay healthy is from the blood vessels in our eyelids. Next, benefits of extended wear contact lenses. Number 1, people with unpredictable or highly active lifestyle. That is, who are not always able to properly clean or handle their contact lenses benefit from extended wear contact lenses that can be left in for long periods. This is also true for emergency and shift workers. Here, those people are busy with their work and difficult to maintain their contact lens. For them, extended wear contact lenses are very helpful. Number 2, people with binocular vision abnormalities. Some people with binocular vision, including amblyopia, are better addressed with continuous vision correction. So, what is binocular vision? Binocular vision is the ability to maintain visual focus on an object with both eyes, creating a single visual image. Lack of binocular vision is normal in infants. Adults without binocular vision experience distortions in depth perception and visual measurement of distance. And what is amblyopia? Amblyopia means the another name of this lazy eye. It is a disorder of sight in which the brain fails to process inputs from one eye and over time favors the other eye. It results in decreased vision in an eye that otherwise typically appears normal. Amblyopia is the most common cause of decreased vision in a single eye among children and younger adults. Number 3. People with especially bad vision. Some wearers with high refractive errors, that means high power, more than -3 or -4, -5, that is high refractive errors, near or farsightedness or astigmatism, find it extremely helpful to be able to see clearly at all times, day and night, especially when waking up unexpectedly at night. Next, risks and other considerations. The biggest risk of extended wear contact lenses is infection because of for long time we are using this contact lens, which can lead to blindness. Number 2, other risks include corneal neovascularization. Corneal neovascularization means where the blood vessels in our eye grow toward our iris in an attempt to address a desperate need for oxygen. Inflammation and irritation also happen. Next, some ways that these risks can be reduced. Number 1, when possible, remove even extended wear contact lenses before sleeping. Number 2, remove contact lens before swimming or clean them after swimming. Number 3, avoid handling our contact lenses without washing our hands. Number 4, avoid smoking and other poor air conditions. Number 5, don't wear expired contact lenses. Number 6, follow all of our doctors and contact lens manufacturers' instructions. Thank you.